What's up everybody, it's Ben with Srkcycles, and today I've got a 2015 Can Am Spyder F3. This thing has some nice factory options on it that I want to point out, and we're just going to get a quick walk around this thing. Starting here with these shad bags. These things are an expensive option. They have the liners in there, so they're supposed to be more weatherproof. So we'll start back here in the back. Got your license plate mount and the reflector in this rear fender. Got your tail light here, turn signals and all that. There's your rear tire in there. You can see that it is belt driven. If you know anything about the Can-Ams, that's what they are. I'm assuming you're interested in this particular one if you're watching this video. So you can see your rear brake in here, see that rear wheel. This whole like fender contraption is, oh, that's kind of cool. I don't know if there's a way to eliminate that, but it would look cool if you could. There's the exhaust. Again, you got these shad bags. Open those up for you. So it's the hard bag with the zip up liner. These things like pull out, so if you were traveling you could like take them into the hotel or motel with you or whatever. So there's that. They also lock. This is the replacement for the rear seat back here. I do not have the passenger seat, but this is a factory replacement for the rear seat. There's still your passenger pegs. Don't need those obviously right now, but if you put the seat on you would. There's your passenger seat. Got your rider floorboard. Got the brake there. Got the F3 emblem there. Little bit of wrinkle there in this carbon fiber accent. It's a good look, but there's just a little bit of a wrinkle there I want to point out. Got the carbon fiber accent up here too. Mirror up there. There's the Can Am. I mean, this bike is in pretty nice shape. It's got a little bit of lost the word there. It's a nice motorcycle. That's what I'm trying to say. It's a nice reverse trike if you want to be technical about it. There is a small scratch here on this front fender that I wanted to point out. Actually, some of that's just a little bit of dirt, but this piece here is a little scratch. There's your front wheel, front tire there. See the suspension in there. There you can see the whole nose. There you go, that's all that. Over here, see the suspension over here. There's that tire, and then that front wheel, and this whole fender. There's all that. There's the Can Am, the Rotax motor in there. Got your rider floorboard, passenger peg. There's the bag I pointed out at the beginning. Let's jump up here and go up with the tank. Got the Pro Grip, tank protector, fuel cap. Got all your controls and stuff in here. You know, shift and whatnot, parking brake. Got your throttle, kill switch, starter. Let's turn this thing on. You can see there see the gauge is sweet. 13,867 miles. Plenty of miles left on this thing. Make sure you check out the test drive video if you're interested in it. There'll be a few more miles on it after that. Fire this thing up so you can hear it run. Oop, I gotta put the brake on. Shoot. Oh, or I just need to turn the kill switch off. That would also help. That. Make sure the turn signals work. Get your front signal up there in the mirror. Jump over to the other side. There's that signal. Back here in the back. There's your rear signal working there. And your rear signal working there. There you go. It is a 2015 Can Am Spyder F3. This is a really nice machine. Do not miss out on this thing, and thanks so much for watching.